dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Avoid moving out unnecessarily. Now, today I am here to talk to you about holidays homework. I know you people must be thinking, what is the need for the holiday homework? But then, dear students, for these 25 days that you will be at home and not having all your classes, so I don't want you all to get out of touch with your studies. And moreover, you need to have some qualitative time, which of course I'm very sure you'll be spending it with your family and friends, but then something creative and something constructive, something knowledgeable also to be done along with spending good time with family and friends. And in order that you don't lose touch with your academics, I just want to give you some homework which you will really love doing it. Fine? You will become independent. Independently, you can do few things when the teachers, your classmates are not immediately available for you to help. So, just I want to say that stay safe at home and enjoy every bit of your summer vacations. And when you come back to the school, come back with a new energy. Come back rejuvenated with lots of ideas and creativity. And I'm sure this holiday homework is going to help you in developing all these things. For grade 9, let's see what's your holiday homework this time. The first question says, create a newspaper magazine in a scrapbook by pasting one positive and the most liked news by you. After pasting the news, write reason for liking and how you would incorporate it in your daily life. So in this, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to read newspaper daily. And I'm very sure reading newspaper daily will help you remain updated what's going around the world. And that's really a very good thing. Yes? Nice. So, out of the entire newspaper that you have read, whatever news you really liked, I want you to cut that news article from your newspaper and paste it in your scrapbook. Yes, this activity is to be done in your scrapbook. Right? So, pasting it in the scrapbook is just not enough. What you have to do after that? After pasting it in your scrapbook, you need to write down. Right? You need to write the reason why that article had so much of effect on you. Why you like that article so much. So you need to write it in your scrapbook just below the headline or the article that you have stuck in your scrapbook. Just not in more than 2 or 3 lines. So in your scrapbook, you should have minimum 20 articles pasted and the reason why you have liked it. Now the scrapbook, you need to cover it properly and you can decorate it to show your creativity. In the first page of your scrapbook, you'll be mentioning your details like your name, class, and then the name of the school, the project which belongs to which subject like English. Right? So this is what you're going to mention it in your scrapbook before you start with your activity. So that's all for the first activity. Now, the second activity is mind map. Have you all heard about mind map? Yes? No? Maybe? Fine. I'll tell you what's a mind map. Right? Mind map is a presentation. Right? Is a presentation of information that you can visualize. Right? It's in the form of like a diagram You can write the central theme in the center or the character in the center, and what all are the happenings of the lesson. Those are to be noted down. Those are to be pointed out in just 1 or 2 words maybe. So mind map is one of the most important thing. It can be considered as in a student's life, and it is helpful in the last time revision also. So the last time revision, if it is helpful, why not do it right from the beginning? So here today I am providing you with one sample of mind map. That is your very first chapter from your Beehive books, and the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. So you can go through this mind map that is prepared, and according to this, taking idea from this mind map, I want you to draw mind maps of the remaining 3 that I have mentioned here as your holidays homework. That is the poem, The Road Not Taken, then the chapter, The Sound of Music, and The Lost Child. So these 3 things, you'll be preparing a mind map of it. And now where are you going to prepare it? You're going to prepare it in the A4 sheet. You can use different color sketch pens to point out the incidents, to point out the characters, right? Make it in a very neat and proper manner, and you'll all be enjoying doing it. Along with this will also give you one more time a revision of the chapters and poem that we have studied. Now the next question in your assignment says, on account of Father's Day. Father, yes, the most loving and the most feared person in the family for most of us, right? Many of us are feared or scared of our fathers, but then at heart we know that our Father loves us so much, and equally we love Him. But this many a times goes unexpressed, right? We keep expressing our love towards our mom every now and then, but fathers, we sometimes fail to do that. So in this month of June, we're going to celebrate Father's Day on 20th of June. So I want you all to show your love, your respect, your gratitude towards your father, and in doing so, what are you supposed to do? You're going to write a paragraph. Yes, you're going to write a paragraph or an article expressing your love, respect, and gratitude towards your father using an A4 sheet. So again, this activity, this assignment also to be done in your A4 sheet. Now, the next thing that we are going to do as an holiday assignment is diary entry. We have all studied diary entry. You've also studied even in your last year's class 8, you've studied diary entry. Now I want you to purchase a small 10 rupees notebook, right? And in that 10 rupee notebook, what are you going to do? Again, you're going to cover it beautifully. In the first page, you'll be mentioning your details just like you did it in your scrapbook, right? And after that, you're going to write diary entry. You're going to make entries of any 7 days. It can be continuous 7 days, or it can be any 7 days out of the holidays that you have. And when you feel that this day is really very important, or it's a very memorable day for me, right? So you need to keep this memory, and then for that you will be making a diary, and you will be entering the memorable thing or the account of that day in your diary. So this is what is your holiday homework. I hope you all will enjoy it, and you all are going to complete your work. This is a file folder, right? So all your A4 sheets, all your scrapbook, you're going to place it inside, and on this side, right? On this side, nicely you're going to either stick a decorative paper on it wherein all your details are written, like your name, class, session, and after that you're going to write English portfolio. Remember this, at the end you're going to mention English portfolio. And once when you are done with it, right, once when you keep everything inside it, then you are relaxed that you have completed your English holidays homework. All the things that are mentioned are compulsorily to be kept in the folder. No activities to be missed on. And on this note, I once again wish you all a very happy summer break. Enjoy, but remember, stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.